Hello, and thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over how to import data. From the navigation bar on the left, select Import Data, then select the type of data you would like to import. The process is the same for all 5 data types, so we'll just go over one in detail. If you have several employee records you would like to import, click on Import Employee Records, then export the template that you'll need to use for importing. Click on Browse, then find a location where you want to save the template. Click OK, then close. Now you can go ahead and open the file that you just saved. Now you can start pasting in or typing in your employee data. Feel free to widen the columns, but please do not change the order of the columns as the import will not go through. You can paste in or type in all of the last names under that last name column. Paste in and type in the first names. And you can add as many employees down here below the first employee, but we'll just import just one just to show an example of how to import. For the status, you can either leave this blank and by default, it will import the employee as active. But if you want to import this employee as inactive, you can type in inactive in the status field. For the employee number, just make sure you're assigning a unique number to the employee. Then fill in any information that you have. Here you can type in the supervisor's last and first names or just the supervisor's employee number. You can type in a shift and feel free to type in new shifts that are not in your shift list in TrainTrack. And when you import them, the items under your lookup list will be added if they are new. Same with location. Type in a new location or one that already exists in your database, and then type in the job title. We recommend always entering the start date because that is one of the ways that TrainTrack calculates due dates. And also recommend adding an email address if you have it, so that if you have default logins set up to be the employee's email address, you'll want to make sure this field is filled out on the first time you either create the employee record or import the employee record. Fill out any other information that you have. And keep in mind that if you only have first and last names, that's enough information to import them into TrainTrack. You can always fill in any other information later, but if you have the information, just go ahead and paste it or type it into the spreadsheet so you have less data entry in the future. When you're all done entering as many employees as you would like to import, simply click the Save button at the top, go back to TrainTrack, click on Browse, and locate the file that you just saved. Click on Import, and you will get this message whenever the import is complete. Here we have the record that we just imported, so now that we've verified that it was imported, I can delete the verification record from here. And now when you go to your employee list and refresh, you will see that employee listed with all of the information that we had entered on the spreadsheet. As far as the employee spreadsheets go, you're welcome to keep reusing the same spreadsheet over and over and just keep adding on to it. What will happen is if you make any change to any existing employees, TrainTrack will recognize that they're already an employee listed in TrainTrack and look for any changes that need to be made to any of their information. If someone is not in TrainTrack, they will be added as a new employee. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.